Good afternoon. You are now in a mountain resort. 20 years of plant every day, and by now we can say we are now eating what we have planted, and we keep tuning in to this program that we have to plant what we will eat and eat what we will plant, then sell the surplus in the market. Bring that to our neighbors for barter. And in here, you can see the trees growing already, our cocoa trees, our bananas, our mangoes, and above all, our vegetables are continuously bearing fruit for our program. And here we have the hop farming theory, espoused by the ALD. That if you are not in your farm, then still we have a very productive citizens, because in their own households they have to do some handcrafted products that can be sold before the export market. So in San Jose now, people going here will always have something to bring home from these handcrafted materials, and very soon this will be placed in the showroom or market center of RH Marketing, owned by our beloved President Master Ben Jr. and that of Madam Hazel Nasio Ecleo. So again, thank you, and mabuhay Dinagat Island.
Okay, so mo to ang usa ka report gikan sa atong Vice Governor Elvis de la Merced. Adi karon ato ang DLG. That's the evidence na gikaon na gid na ang giluto na gitanom ni Vice Gov. Oh, mao na nila siya result. Ako makauban na sa rooftop sa Arbinya na, ko diri, peace. Okay. Ang pinanggan niyang asawa mao kini nag-entertain sa tanan mga bisita sa pista din ni sa Barangay 40. Oh. Sabi mo handicap. Output sa morning output sa mga handicrafts, which is very supportive ang Super President sa PBMA. Muna siyang mga nindot kayo na ibuhat sa mga katauhan din sa 40. Ako ang pinakagwapo na DIG. Kuya, ako ang pinakagwapa. Yan, ang public servant. Okay, para sa kasuryastanan, ang atong Vice Governor Elvis de la Merced, doon na siya galing website www.vicegovernorelvis.delamerced.dinagatislands.net. So mo na report ni Verde Marilla bilang committee sa Transportation Communication sa PBMA. Daghang salamat ug maayong buntag Dinagat Island.